What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful pebble gray Kia EV9. As you can see, the color is pebble gray. Hopefully the light that comes in you can actually see it. But guys, just check out how huge this car is. This is what they call a grand utility vehicle. Of course, it does look very grand indeed. The appearance of this is absolutely striking. I love the lights. It's damn amazing. So you also get your cameras for the side, not using any mirrors, which is damn cool. Now let's start off with the front. So the front right here you have your DRLs. Of course, these are your DRLs, the one that pop up down here, and you get these ones also lighted up. But these are your main lights, guys. Just check out how amazing how it shoots, how all these lights actually are shooting down towards the road. These small ones. So this is amazing, dude, how the way they have done it. I love how the lights here also there are, together with your signal indicators, should also be appearing here, so that's kind of cool as well. Now you do have your amazing clean looking for the front, and then you also get this amazing lights on the right side. Love the front camera you guys get with the car. Number plate goes right there. You also get your sensors located all over the place. At the bottom right here, these actually open up for cooling purposes, for air to flow through, so that's amazing. Some air intake over there at the side here for air to flow through. Love the bottom piece. The finishing of this is different color compared to the one which is the pebble gray. It's like kind of like a bit goldish or grayish kind of a finish, which is very nice. This should be your sensor, your ADAS sensor and whatnot. Amazing. You got your Kia badging right here, and your front hood is very clean. Doesn't have any lines or things like that, but it does have some lines at the side to make it look as aggressive as it can be, so that's really nice as well. So for the side of the car, the wheel arch, I love it how they have this black finish that goes across the whole wheel arch, so that's kind of nice. The wheel design itself is amazing. Solid disc brakes at the back, hopefully you guys can see it. This is a black finish together with some matte finish happening at the side right here, but it's a gloss black with the Kia badging right here. You gotta take this out if you want to unscrew the whole tire. Continental tires is what they're using. Tire size is 285, 45, R21. So 21-inch amazing wheels that these guys are giving. Love the lines that are popping up at the side, how it goes down and just shoots at the side here. You also get gloss black finishing at the side, and then this particular section is in this matte satin kind of a finish, just for the bottom here. This is a pebble gray, so yeah, love the gloss black finishing that's happening. Door handles, of course, when you open up and you lock it, it goes in. You got your side mirrors that are in a camera digital version, very clean looking and very nice. I like it. Suits the body of the car. So let's open up the doors, take a look at what we see. You got your brown interior with some black finishing mixture here and there. You got this sort of like dark black, kind of a matte finish with some grayish, because it's a bit glossy here, so that's kind of nice. Black leather. Got this fabric lining at the side right here as well, so that's kind of nice. You do get your compartment storage down here, and they are using Meridian speakers, guys. Check that out. Beautiful. You do have your screen for the camera, if you can see my hand, so that's amazing as well. So you do have your heated and ventilated seats, handle to open up the doors. This should be a lock unlock, window adjustments, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, so that's kind of nice. The interior of this car is fantastic, dude. Love the fabric headrest, but you get this leather finishing with the brown and black with the GT line that says right there. And the thing that I love about these seats is that for the front passenger, you do get your leg rest as well. So that's kind of nice. You see how it pops up? The whole front seat, you can actually recline it, and if it's not enough, you can just increase it, and then you can roll the seat back. Check out how amazing this thing looks, man. Fantastic. So let's hop right in. And of course, you'll be seeing me lying down fully back, so that's kind of cool. Love the dashboard that you guys get. Fabric lining right here. Got this brown finishing at the top. You get this black finishing right here so as well. Love the speakers that are happening right there. Climate control adjustments on this side. Your volume adjustments, you can volume it down. Okay, cool. Hazard lights is on there. We'll turn them on later. But these are all the other types of charging capabilities for you to choose your 12-volt socket. Check that out. Glove compartment, it's amazing and unique how the whole piece just falls down. Compartment storage right there. It's a lot of compartment storages all over the place. So you get your compartment down here as well, so that's kind of nice. Huge place. Love the ambient lighting. 2 cup holders on this side. You can roll it back, roll it forward, And you got your auto hold hill descent camera, and also there's the warning signs if you're close by to an object. Wireless charging happening right here, compartment storage there, 2 cup holders on this side. Love the interior of this car, man, dude, it's fantastic. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat with the seat reclined back. Seat belts are in black. Light coming in from the top front. You got your glass roof at the back right here, so as well. Love the temperature that's happening right there. So let's get right down and let's see what we have. For that, let's put back the seats to where it's supposed to be. Cool. So it's going back right there, and amazing indeed, guys. So let's push it forward, back, and cool. So let's move to the back, and what we see right here, you get your privacy glass. Of course, the front glass is clear, but the back one is already dark. You do get your shade. You can actually cover it if you wish to. Handle to open up the doors. Love this grey finishing that's happening on the back right here. It's like this gloss finish, but these ones are matte finish on the inside. These ones are gloss. Heated and cooling ventilated seats. Very nice indeed. I believe these should be some protective thing that's happening for the leather. The brown and the black mixture. Love the fabric lining at the side. Compartment storage down here. Meridian speakers on this side. Beautiful, man. Amazing. So for the second row seats, I love how they have the elbow where you can rest your arm. And then just check this out, man. If I press this button right now, it just brings it forward. You know, of course, I can just press it once. Sorry, I was holding it. But if I wish to bring it back, I can just do the same. I can jump to the third row seats if I wish to as well. But yeah, just check out how amazing this thing looks, man, dude. You know what? Let's jump to the back, because this and that is probably the same. Or maybe I should just try over there, and then we can fold the seats back on this side. So let's hop right in and take a look at what we are looking at. So amazing fabric lining. Love the see-through things that are happening for the headrest. Of course, it's very comfortable indeed. You get your cup holders for the second row seats as well. Love the I would say tray kind of like finish. Amazing. This should be, yeah, kind of a nice way of putting it, I guess. Very cool. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the second row seats. My seat belts are of course in black, hiding at the back right here. Lighting on top right here. You got your air vent adjustments on this side. Amazing how you can rotate them. And climate control adjustments on here. You got your glass roof that's happening right there. Back seats are like that. But we're going to try to jump to the back in a while more. But before that, let's get right down. Hop right in here. Exit this side. And fold the seats forward. Amazing indeed. Love the brown with the black combo here and there. But of course, we have the wheel section. Before that, we got to hop right into the second row seats, just so we can get a feel of what we are looking at. So this is third row seats. Cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the third row seats. So let me see if I can. Okay, cool. So it's moving back. Hopefully it's not too back. Is it? Okay, cool, nice. So yeah, I still have a little bit of room. But of course the front, you still can fold it forward. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear, third row seats. You do have your cup holders happening right here. This can actually fold down the front seats or the back seats. I believe this should be able to move. Reclining. Very nice. So that's on that side. You got your Type-C charging capabilities. Of course, if you wish to charge your phone with the back here while you're actually sitting at the back here, Meridian speakers all over the place. So that's very nice, man, how the way they have that. So beautiful car, beautiful space. So let's move it forward. Tap the button right there. Goes fully up, forward, and I can get right down. So that sound is basically because of this elbow rest, nothing else. So let's get right down, because it's a clip to adjust your where you want it to stop. Of course, the wheels at the back, Continental tires is what you get. 285/45 R21, beautiful finish of a wheel. Once again, solid disc brakes and whatnot. This, press on it one time, opens up automatically. You do have your charging sockets for your AC and your DC. If you wish to close it back, or you can stop it from here, or either you want to press it, closes back. Fantastic. Love the lights once again for the rear. beautiful design, shark fin antenna at the top right here, but you do get your beautiful railings in black. If you wish to actually put something on top where you can actually carry your bicycle or whatnot or other stuff, or even like a tent, you can keep it on top. So they do sell all this kind of stuff, which is amazing. So Kia badging right here. Love the black privacy glass for the back. You get your camera right here. I believe this records, but this is your 360 camera for the back, so amazing. You got your EV9 badging at the side right here, and then you have the GT line that's happening on the right side right there. The gloss black finishing on this side, and a bottom finish right here is in this satin finish. So this is beautiful, man, especially when they add this kind of stuff in it. Gloss black here underneath, beautiful indeed. So let's open up the boot. Number plate goes right there, fantastic. And check out the boot space. Of course, amazing how they have a button, but a covered one, so that's kind of cool, very unique, not like other cars, different a bit. 12-volt socket for you to charge some stuff. This I believe should be for your charging. And second row seats, you can fold it down. But before that, let's fold down the third row seats. So this is me folding down the third row seats. So it's amazing how much of space you guys can actually get. Underneath here, I believe should be some other minor storage space for you to keep the railing, or shall I say the partition, for you to cover here, that section to that section, so you block out whatever you're keeping here. So that's kind of nice. You can even fold down the second row seats if you wish to. So seats are currently being folded right now. So cool. So let's see how well they do that. Amazing, amazing. So check this out. Beautiful. Very clean looking, very sleek, plenty of storage that you guys can actually use for this car. This car is absolutely huge. A lot of stuff you guys can keep. Beautiful layout. Now let's jump to the front driver's seat and take a look. Open up the doors. I like also how the door handle, it doesn't just pop up only one side. The whole piece comes along, so that's kind of nice. Of course, you got your seat adjustments electronically, but the beautiful part about this car is that you do have your leg extensions kind of rest, even for the driver seat. It's not every day you get something like that for the driver's seat, but you do, and that's kind of nice. So yeah, beautiful indeed. Check this out. How amazing it is, dude. It's like the driver who drives, whoever is driving, of course, he has a very tiring journey, so he wishes to rest. Instead of jumping to another seat, he can comfortably just rest right here. So leg extension, you can put it out as much as you want. Beautiful. Brake pedals, accelerator pedals, love that chrome finish kind of a thing that's right there. I believe these are chrome as well. But yeah, amazing. So let's jump right in. Oh, before that, yes, the doors. You do get your seat 1 and seat 2, heated, cooling, memory seats, I believe, this one, 2 memory seats. You get your heated and cooling, steering heater, together with some sort of massage, I believe, on this side. But you do have your child lock for the rear windows and the doors, and also the front windows to wind up and wind down, lock, unlock, side mirror adjustments left or right, handle to hold, fabric finish, compartment storage, Meridian speakers once again. Do have your sight, so-called camera mirror kind of thing. Let's check this out, man, dude. This is me actually sitting comfortably with my legs up like this. It's beautiful. After driving, you just want to relax. It's very nice indeed. Shade manual. These ones are, of course, electronic, so you can actually close the shade if you wish to. This also you can actually open up the top. So that's kind of nice. Get some air coming in. You can close it back. And yeah, mirrors. You get this sort of like very nice soft finish, some sort of like a microfiber kind of finish, or is it Alcantara? Not really quite sure. You got to be here to feel it and see it. Looks kind of like a fabric kind of finish. That's kind of nice. Amazing screen that you guys get. Of course, there are a lot of things to do with the screen, but we will not be doing that today. Touch sensitive buttons, I believe, but this is covered right now because it's a brand new car. Steering wheel looks absolutely nice. Cruise control settings on the left. This one right here should be your radio modes and other settings to choose. This should be your gear, drive, reverse. Of course, this is to turn off or turn on the EV. This is the P button to push in. You get your wiper adjustments on this side, and also you do have your light adjustments to the signal indicator, so that's kind of nice. So the lights are already on, have you seen? Alright, already. but we have not turned on the hazard lights. So let's head right down and check out the front. Side mirrors, you do get your turn indicators, kind of cool. For the front right here, turn indicators are on this side. I thought it's on this side, but nope, it's only on here. Beautiful. Amazing finish for a car like this, dude. Now for the back, let's take a look. You do have the back part right here that looks like this. Fantastic. Turn indicators, I like how it's like in all sorts of different partitions. Can you see what I mean? It's like kind of like coming out. Beautiful. Car looks very, very well presented. Amazing layout, man. So yeah, let's move this forward. Let's put it in a way, put it backwards, put it back to where it's supposed to be, I believe. Cool. So it's going back down. And cool, man. Amazing indeed. Very, very soft and nice. So let's now turn off the hazard lights and take a nice cover photo for the front. Looks very cool, looks very aggressive, very, very nice indeed. Very well presented. Loved how the way this car looks. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Kia cars, you can check out the description below and get in touch with the salesperson. It is a good looking car. Pebble grey is the color. Love the brown on the inside, and on top of that they have other colors also you can choose. This is the greenish kind of a color, I believe. Damn cool. They also got other models as well, which are lying all over the place on this side. Beautiful showroom that you guys can see with other things that you can actually select from. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.